Hey dolls, so I'm on my way to this networking event, and I don't have quite all the information about it yet, but I know Miss Best PA Home, she gave me a call today. She was like, hey Glam, you really need to get out here. It's a social media marketing networking event. And so as soon as I get there, I'll be sure to let her explain more information about it.
Oh, hello.
I finally met up with Miss Best PA Homes, who's going to tell us what is this event that we're going to?
Mastering the Art of Social Video at the theater at the School of Visual Arts.
Okay.
Yes.
Notice how short she is compared to me. Look at this. Look at.
It's all right.
Well, dolls, this was definitely a spur of the moment. She did invite me out. Anytime I get a chance to come out and network, it's always a positive thing for me. Once I get in here, I will share with you all what this event is about. So, let's go.
All right, thank you so much. Are you here for the Center for Communication?
Hi. So quiet. Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about each of your organizations, or what we might not say.
Okay, so I work at Bustle, which is a part of Bustle Digital Group. We're 5 and change years old. It's a digital media website for millennial women.
Hello, everybody. I work at LaForce. LaForce is a full-scale communications agency located right in Union Square. The agency itself has been around for more than 20 years, which is pretty incredible. And you know, for a while, we were traditional PR, right? But kind of like as the world today has grown, so have we and our capabilities. And when I started at LaForce about 6 years ago, we were creating the first digital group within the agency.
Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany Bender. I work at Condé Nast Entertainment. So Condé Nast Entertainment acts as the internal production company, if you will, for 20 plus brands and departments across Condé Nast. As you know, Condé Nast is a legacy company with over 100 years in publishing. We span now across events, an events agency, research department, Condé Nast Entertainment, and beyond.
Hey dolls, so the panel discussion have since ended, and now we're just sitting around and networking and whatnot. And guess what? I just met another vlogger, as we say. What's your name?
Arai Harmony.
Arai Harmony?
Yes.
You got a YouTube channel?
I do. It's A-R-Y-E Harmony. That's the name of my channel.
And guess what? It's her birthday week. So make sure y'all head on over to her channel, show her some love and support. You know, us vloggers, we gotta stick together. You know, we gotta stick together. We help.
Always looking for collaboration.
And you heard it just right there. And Miss Best, let me turn you around. PA Homes.
Yes, I'm here talking with this blogger about how to get my content.
Don't let her fool you. She here doing some real estate. Don't let her fool you.
That's right. That's right. I'm trying to get with the commercial real estate.
She
trying to own a theater.
That's what I'm talking about.
A gym, everything.
2019, we coming for everything that was said we couldn't have, okay? Everything, right? We claiming it. Hey dolls. Down over here with School of Visual Arts, networking, doing what we do best. You know, I can't end the night out without first letting Miss Best PA Homes.
Yes. Hello. Trying to get this Instagram up and running, everyone.
Yeah. And if you happen to live in Tribeca and you're looking to sell,
that's right.
Give her a call.
Follow me at besthomespa.com.
Okay. That's what we do. We out here networking. Don't know who I'm gonna find to put on my camera next. You know, I had to wait for my sis. Hey sis, hey boo.
What's going on?
Let me pick your brain.
She played too much, okay?
I love messing with her. She had me cracking up on the panel when she said that because
I'm straight trash.
She said, don't do it.
So many people do email talk about, hey sis,
Hey sis, so good to meet you. It's like,
what not to do.
My name's Tiffany.
What not to do when reaching out to Tiffany
Right.
Bender.
But you know what? And can I speak for your platform? Oh, okay. They wouldn't do that to my daughter.
No.
And so it's just like, you want the same perks, you want the same benefits.
It was hey ma'am.
Hi,
Good
Miss
day.
Bender, pleasure to meet you. And let me correct you and say, no, it's Tiff, or you know, whatever. But like, don't be so familiar so soon.
That's why I was so happy when you said
Yeah. I promise you, I looked in the corner and I saw y'all and it was like, they gonna bother me. I'm gonna say it because I was scared. I wasn't gonna say it at first. I was like, they gonna get me. And I sort of head nodded. I did it.
I was vibing with her because you hit a lot of great points when you was talking on the panel, especially talking about when content creators should remain organic and how companies such as Condé Nast or whoever, they need to be able to visualize their brand
Immediately on your platform. But on your platform, how can I seamlessly integrate this? You know? Yeah.
So I was like sitting there like, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. They probably thought I had whiplash because I kept going. Or bobblehead because I was just nodding to literally everything this woman right here was saying.
Thank you so
are
much.
an amazing woman.
Thank you guys.
Amazing. And from Harlem.
Uptown,
Oh my
right.
God.
I can't take her. She is annoying. She is annoying. She's the best though. She's the best.
Very nice.
That's what my channel's all about.
Yes.
I love it. I wouldn't change this lifestyle for nothing.
No.
I love it.
I was just sending you the picture the day my name was across that thing right there.
It
When I
was?
made 15 years, yeah.
What?
They had, somebody sent it.
Look at this. Look at that. Let me go show them.
Up there.
Let me go here. Hold on. Because you know you got to look both ways when crossing the street.
Yes.
Wow. Her name was up there at one point. Oh my God. That's what we're talking about when your name is in lights, okay? That's what we're talking about when your name is in lights. Look at
Next
her
time
doing.
it gotta be my theater.
We're
Next
working
time
on
I gotta own a theater.
We're working on it. We're working on it. We're working on it. I had an absolutely amazing time here at this social media networking event. I got a chance to meet a lot of interesting people, and I also learned quite a few new tips and tricks when it comes to me having video engagement here on my channel. So I'm gonna implement some of those suggestions that were said, and I'm gonna see how well the payoff on the return of that workout. So on that note, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Please don't forget, we still got to stay socially connected. I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and Fab Beauty on a Budget Finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Nightlife. That's what riding the subway is all about. Rock me, baby. Rock me, rock me all night long. I wanna hear all the fear, and my back ain't got no bone. Gotta love New York.